To access your Straight Talk Hotspot settings, first connect to your hotspot via Wi-Fi. Next, open a web browser and enter your device's IP address, typically 192.168.8.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in using the default credentials, often admin, for both username and password. Remember to change this immediately for security. Navigate to the wireless settings or Wi-Fi security section to make changes. Alternatively, use the My Straight Talk app's Hotspot Manager for remote access. In the wireless settings or Wi-Fi security section, you'll find fields to change the SSID, which is your network name and password. Choose a strong password that is at least 12 characters long, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, as weak passwords may be rejected. For the best security, select WPA3 as the security protocol if your device supports it. WPA3 offers improved protection against attacks compared to older standards like WPA2. After making your changes, save the new settings. You may also want to consider enabling Hide SSID to prevent your network from being publicly visible. Regularly update your password every 3 to 6 months to maintain optimal security.